Okay, so let's review Samurai Caliber. Samurai Caliber, or the slightly new Bay in our Beyblade X system, and 670 being a ratchet with a 70 millimeter height and six-sided ratchet. So that's why it's called 670, because 70 becoming the millimeter and the 6 being the sides. Okay, and the bit merge. Merge is a tall balance bit with the blue rubber and the purple needle tip. So this being a tall Beyblade because of the merge and the 970. So yeah, there. First we got the blade. The blade is Samurai Caliber. If you turn it around, you can see that it's really balanced, fully circular. So yeah, square shaped blade. Next, the ratchet. The ratchet, as I said earlier, 70 height and a six-sided ratchet. And now let's move on to the bit merge. Merge being a tall balance bit with blue rubber and a purple needle to it. So yeah, now let's recommend combos for this guy. So the first recommended combo I use for my deck is 960 low orb. With the low orb having stamina and the 960 having burst resistance. Okay, the second build is 660 on low orb, hard hitting, and stamina. Kumbaga, ganun. So, wala siya masyadong burst resistance. No burst resistance at all. But it has stamina, so you just risk the burst. Okay. So, here's the box. It's not bulky because I bought it at Lucas Toy Hub. If you want to go there, it's just at Sea Oil Pasumbuaya to Imus Cavite. Second floor ng malapit din sa Sea Oil. So, yeah. Samurai Caliber, box, Takara Tomy. Yan, Japanese yan. Di natin makapabasa yan. And, yeah. And, blade, ratchet, and the bit. Okay, so, assemble it again. Yan, Samurai Caliber.